Also home buyers, if you're looking for a 2-bedroom apartment, then we've got the ideal property for you. We're in the north side of Walsall, the WS3 area. We're kind of like Leamore, Harden area. This is a 2-bedroom ground floor flat with ensuite facilities, family bathroom. I'm going to take you around. It's going to be ideal for either a first-time buyer, maybe a couple with a child, or a investor. So I'll take you around and show you and do a walkthrough video tour. Thank you. Okay, so I'll just let the camera take a quick turn around and show you this grounds. It's actually really impressive. If you look at the grounds over here, it's all very well kept. And this is the building where the flat is in. And behind the property is where the parking is. So we'll get the chance, if you get the chance, we'll show you that. Yeah, so in the meantime, we'll take you into the building and show you the flat. Okay, so communal entrance, you want to go in. And it's the first flat on your right hand side, as I said, a 2-bedroom ground floor flat. Here we go. Come on in. The first room you come to is the kitchen. So it's also got the boiler, the gas-fired boiler. The property is centrally heated as well. You've got an integrated oven and hob. This comes with the flat. The only thing that doesn't come with it is the washing machine. Apparently the fridge freezer also stays, and the dryer, I believe, is also the current tenants. The property is currently tenanted, and she's been here for some time, and she can actually stay. Let me just put the light on. She can actually stay in the property if an investor took it on. Okay, so two things I'd like the camera to show. This is obviously the entrance hallway. If the camera comes to this side, I'll show you there's 2 doors which are really close to the camera that can be shown from here. So as you came in, you've obviously got your kitchen to your right hand side, and you've got these 2 doors. One of them is a storeroom, if the camera now comes forward. It's currently being used as a cloakroom, so you can do that, put your hats and shoes, add a few more shelves into here. That also houses the consumer unit as well. And this door here is your family bathroom. It's got a full-size bath, wash and basin, WC, and this is to the rear aspect of the property. Okay, so from here now, if the camera just shows this side, we'll show you that there's 2 other doors. This door over here leads into a bedroom. This is the second of the bedroom, not the main one. It's a really good size. I mean, you can see a single bed kind of fits into that space, and then the current tenants put in a wardrobe and a chest of drawers. Again, this is facing the rear aspect. And then as you come out, the camera can show us this door across. This is the airing cupboard. Right. So currently the tenants put storage stuff in here, but you can use it how you wish to use it. Okay, we're good? Right, and then from here we go into, which is the master bedroom, if the camera wants to go in first. And the master bedroom, you can see it's a really good size. In that corner is the ensuite. This is the ensuite shower room. Full enclosed shower, wash and basin and WC. Then you've got the bedroom where bed space, there's plenty of space for a nice double bed. You've got a couple of side tables, and then there's a couple of wardrobes on the side as well with a chest of drawers. So you know, you've got kind of nice places where you can set up how you want to set up the bedroom. And then lastly, we've got the lounge come dining room. And this basically spans the entire length of the flat. You can see it's a really good space. They've got a 3-seater sofa, 2-seater single set, TV stand over here, and the dining table goes to that side. Okay. So I think we'll end the video tour here. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon, you'll be notified first before properties go to the open market. So please do subscribe and do press that bell icon. If you want to inquire about the property, send us an email, send us a telephone inquiry. All the links will be in the description, which will lead you directly to our website where EPC information is going to be on there, videos, pictures, everything is going to be on there as well. So all being well, if you want to send us those inquiries to us, and we'll take you forward to a physical viewing if that's what you require. And we'll see you on the other side. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.